So we were going to use your watercolor paper that's found in that packet from your easel kit. You will also be needing some masking tape to go ahead and secure your page on your table. What you'll do is that you're going to align the tape to the edge of the paper and then only allow the extra on the sides to stick to the paper. You're going to do the same thing on all four sides. So here I've already added my tape on all four sides. You're going to use your watercolor pencils. Go ahead and begin by drawing the first letter of your name. I'm doing Mrs. Millon. So for Mrs. Millon, I've got an M, an R, and I want you to go ahead and layer your letters. Create an interesting composition. So continue to layer your letters. Again, we are writing our name. So I am on the O for Millon. And then finally the N I've decided to do in yellow. M-I-O-N. M-R-S for Mrs. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab your thin round brush, and you can add some watercolor to your palette. For my O, since it's blue, I've decided to fill in that section blue. But you see, what you're going to be doing here is actually you're going to color in each shape a different color. And this is what I mean. Every time your letters intersect, they create a new shape. And in just a second, I'm going to zoom in to show you what I mean. So as you can see, where the S and the O intersect and the M, that becomes a new shape. Now I'm not going to color in that blue. I'm going to go ahead and color in this shape red. And in this case, I use my color pencil to fill in with color, and then I'm activating it with water. But you can choose to do the color pencil and the soft watercolor in your palette. So that's a new shape. I colored it orange. I've got another shape here where the S and the O intersect, so I'm making that green. You decide the colors you want to use. That's another section, and I'm going to fill out in yellow. And then I've got another shape here where the M intersects with the O. I'm filling it in with my pencil, and then I'm activating it with my paintbrush and water. There I've got another section. And then something else you could do, my brush actually was a little dirty because of my water. But you can brush on just straight water and then do the color pencil on top. And that's when you'll get a darker version of the color pencil. Versus if you use a color pencil on a dry surface, you see how it's a little lighter? Although you add the water, it doesn't get as dark as it does when you first do water and then the color pencil on top. Okay, so you're basically going to continue filling in every shape with a new color. When you are complete filling in all of these shapes, I would like for you to make a black and white pattern in the background. Now the black and white pattern is going to allow the colorful letters to stand out. Take a photo of your work and email it to me. You have the entire class period to work on this. If you don't finish by the end of class, email it to me before next class, next week. Enjoy, have fun, And when you're done, go ahead and carefully peel away the tape from the sides. And then you'll have a nice clean white border. Let me know if you have any questions.